Welcome to RV Gear Review. Today we're diving into a remarkable transformation that redefines comfort and style on the road. The 2026 Kia Motorhome modified for ultimate luxury. Kia has taken a bold step into the world of high-end motorhomes, and this model proves they're not just experimenting, they're setting new standards. At first glance, the sleek exterior styling immediately catches your eye. The 2026 Kia Motorhome sports a futuristic front grille, LED matrix headlights, and a sculpted body finished in premium-grade metallic paint. The white exterior is accented with chrome and brushed aluminum touches, creating a clean, luxurious vibe. The body sits on a custom suspension system, providing increased ground clearance for rugged travel without compromising the vehicle's elegant silhouette. Under the hood, the powertrain is built on a hybrid electric platform that offers a smooth, quiet ride with plenty of torque. You're looking at a twin-motor all-wheel drive system paired with a high-efficiency lithium battery pack and a turbocharged petrol engine for extended range. This setup delivers seamless power delivery and enhanced fuel economy, ideal for long-haul road trips across diverse terrain. Once inside, you're greeted with a cabin that rivals a five-star suite. Plush leather seating in a custom red and cream theme, real wood trim, and ambient LED lighting throughout create a cozy yet sophisticated space. The driver's cockpit is equipped with a widescreen digital instrument cluster, an AI-powered assistant, and an advanced infotainment system compatible with all major platforms. One of the key highlights is the fully automated living space. It includes a convertible sofa that turns into a queen-sized bed, a compact yet luxurious kitchenette with induction cooking and a smart fridge, and a sleek bathroom with a rainfall shower and touch-free fixtures. Everything is controlled via a central tablet interface or your smartphone. This motorhome also comes with smart glass windows that tint automatically, solar roof panels to power auxiliary systems, and an extendable outdoor deck that makes camp setup a breeze. The onboard HVAC system uses AI to learn your temperature preferences, keeping you comfortable in all seasons. Kia has also prioritized safety and autonomy. Advanced driver assist features like adaptive cruise control, lane centering, collision avoidance, and 360-degree camera systems ensure you're secure whether driving through cities or wilderness. What truly sets the 2026 Kia luxury motorhome apart is its seamless fusion of practicality and indulgence. It's not just about getting from point A to point B, it's about enjoying the journey in first-class comfort. Whether you're a weekend explorer or a full-time road dweller, this vehicle gives you everything you need without compromise. If you're looking for a future-ready, tech-packed, and beautifully designed luxury motorhome, the 2026 Kia model deserves a top spot on your list.